Nipa bebre wu.
Nipa bebre wu. Since almost started total withdrawal from I think 3 days ago. No.
Welcome to the Political Round. It's me, the voice, right on Ghana 70 BGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Okay. In the most nurses strike and now watch here. Nipa bebre wu.
Nipa bebre wu. Since almost started total withdrawal from I think 3 days ago. No.
Yeah, Enra.
Yandra, no, you say there's a search, and I say Ninkan is Nipa ewu. I know ya cost FM. It's a cost one kasa. People are dying more.
Now, when across the country, and as some specific hospitals
across the country, because ain't said a name crime. I was said a name Kumasi. Baby, I want a Wobiano. We are recording high death. And
for Mono, you would attribute a high death to total withdrawal and NYC, you know.
Exactly so. Naomi said, nurses in Nihua. That's the end. And I be bring to every year because what be bring to the fact say, yeah, hospital nurses and many of the cases are coming from the house instead of say a big hospital. So as a what to be in the hospital. I return free hospital so much here is soon almost say your hospital almost do fear and the so those are the stories we are hearing. In the adwumano withdraw message
is the stress about the tomonso.
Exactly.
Muso.
And the pressure appears so. One you now track list to Asuka crack. One I will be telling you how much is I am anti. Now they are called police station.
Now who are basically in the Paraco police station?
Naze police, so what is their mandate? Our mandate there to protect law and order, maintain peace. Adhere to me in Krane Bay on Semudia. Police won't come.
Now, Abushambia, Unipewu, and now the Nico police station.
Okay, report this. A German in your diabetes, what that will put much Emma and Timunso, my answer.
Wow, but this is a serious issue. This is
a very serious issue. In my personal view, we shouldn't have even gotten there at all. It could have been prevented. The woman is will be a problem.
Yes.
Or did he say was signed documents? And per the terms of the document, after 2 years, we have signed document, I not them voice.
Yes.
Yes. And I and now 1 year, whether it is government A or B. Nipa no only was signed document, only Ghana government has signed document.
Yes.
There is nothing like a signed document with NDC or MPP. So they have a case. Until the only way of making a judge, I didn't know document with that. Move pay budget. Mostly and fan share budget. You don't take people for serious. You can't. As part of the compensation also the come very major item. Because without the people, no one be adwumano. One be adwumano.
Yeah.
Yes, so only last week, your National Labour Commission.
Why more?
Yeah, what for?
Mortuary workers, so.
You declare strike here.
Now, Moko, National Labour Commission said, Moko, day.
There be issues started last year, no?
Okay.
Once the commission media, once I want to notify you some years past, no? Say, after the seminar ends, they will continue to invite you.
Yes.
To make sure so the man will report. And say, come and tell us where you have gotten to. And the end seminar and fair wages have to intervene. And we must send a letter on the shire. Anka, it is not necessary. Because we share any the impact we even have on the economy now, it is insignificant. But move back to way in happiness, MPP na sponsor and NDC na sponsor matter guys and face the situation head on.
na then mo mortuary workers no say mo conditions no manya improvement kakra wo mana.
Okay, say improvement kakra. What do you mean?
Oh, say meaning say last year or last 2 years. Mu raise issues
or last 3 years.
Yeah, mu raise issues
last 4 years.
You raised issues about mo conditions no. Omanya mu bibia.
The result is that's improvement. See which way? To me, prove it to me. Say improve it there. I will be able to okay with you.
But I'm asking you, sir. You raised issues about your conditions. Mo threaten strike action ne ade. And I'm asking, sir, following sa issues amu raise you know. Abai anya hu bibia amamu ana.
Amu ya hu bibi. But it was not enough to at least make us relax for a time.
Oh, okay.
What they were doing is they were doing it piecemeal. Amufa we are no more na no do implementation stage and no be agane.
Asempa FM.
What would they miss?
Yes.
That is the challenge we have with the employer all the time. See, notice for a declare. Imagine say the kahwa. Say the braking system no.
Yeah, it's true.
So we want to do it for human being by say only the Minister of Health.
Yes.
A corner occur up and down it is going to go against the taxpayers' money. And I need free.
Dabi.
It is going to go against you and I, a taxpayer. We are going to use it to fuel, to ride. Well, everything that will happen, we are paying for it. And the do by saying, listen, your conditions here are fine. Try to implement. Also, okay, my setting up committee. Also, they be the agreement here, as a Minister of Finance. Emma, go ahead. Then we can talk about how to implement it. Also, you find share budget. Enjoy into amunya then. So I think sir, we should be. Share mami, ANS. O papa, ANS. Oba ANS. I was say ANS. Anka condition mu kan wan se obeti ahye kakra. But if I didn't ya na dey empamu omo. Empamu next me nyina. Ana embe pamu to ni nyina. Le enkofa grassroots corner. Omo mo ye from grassroots.
Foot soldiers.
In that face. Let's recognize every profession and make it work. Since I'm not when you want so much in the every more.
Yeah.
Only one nipa ni no. Yeah, they are done 24 hours. You know. We didn't buy a people near the number. Everybody is important.
Mate. Ora Jordan me na say o picture ye show e ha no space na show ni na nya easy crowd.
I'm a fake man. Me Ramo. Me say me charge I want to me now.